Alright, so I just wanted to make a super quick update on the box. It's coming along nicely. I just finished sanding off the little homemade dowels, aka toothpicks. But as far as that goes, I haven't done anything to it. Just there's really no way to make sanding look fun on camera, which is true. It's not really fun, but it's actually kind of relaxing in a way, because you just kind of, you put your respirator on and, you just go to town and you don't really think of too much. So that's pretty much it for the box. I've got all the hinges, I've got the hardware at the front, which I ordered from eBay. Yeah, so it's coming along, and I also put this little strip in with some little holes in it, which are actually going to hold some little dowel centers that I bought from eBay. Pretty good, or pretty big, avid eBay shopper, I should say. If it's, a good deal, I'll usually pick it up. So I've probably got about 20 items that I'm looking to purchase, and I'll probably do a video on the items that I purchased, because not all the stuff in here, but maybe 5 or 10% are smaller items that I've bought from eBay that have just been so good that I wish, if I was an up-and-coming DIYer, I wish someone would have said, listen, go check out eBay and you can get it for a fraction of the price. But anyway, yeah, so that's it. The box is coming along. I've still been using the eBay sanding pads, which work great. I was pretty much lost without them. So yeah, don't forget to check out the other videos and subscribe.